How to go live from Instagram. Going live on Instagram is super easy and a great way to connect with your followers in real time. So here is a quick and simple guide for both iPhone and Android users. First of all, open the Instagram app on a mobile device and make sure that you are logged in on your Instagram account. Now make sure that you are on your main feed. Now locate at the bottom center, you can see plus icon available there. Simply tap on the plus icon. Then there you can see live option available at the bottom right again. Simply tap on the live. Then all you have to do is tap on the title to name your live, help viewers know what it is about. Then tap on the circle icon available there and countdown begins, and here you are live. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.